Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet on our welcome now once again to DJ TV. Yes, so my people, the governor of Osun State, where they call Ademola Adeleke, popularly known as the dancing senator, he don't come talk, he don't come disclose for this exclusive interview wey do with Arise. Now if I come talk say that musician na he be wan become so but the parents no gree. No wonder when this governor dey dance, anywhere he hear music body go dey shake. The full family entertainment dey their body, no be small. Anyway, my people, I no go talk too much. I go play una this video make una hear from the governor himself wetin he talk concerning this whole tori of him career wey be wan be, because according to him, he talk say he no ever dream say he go become governor one day or he go be dey this political race. Una watch and make una no forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Owing to all of your dance moves on social media, you know, I highlight all of your stories on what's trending. I mean, I'd like to know where you got that from.
Actually, I'm supposed to be a musician, you know, right away, but my father could not allow it. During that time when we were going off in the 60s,
Yeah.
they don't believe that they don't believe that, you know, somebody should go and do music.
That's not the
or
trick.
play football and everything. He just wanted to go to school.
Correct.
So it discouraged me. But I knew that I still have that, you know, talent.
Yeah, right.
So thank God that I passed it to my nephew and my son. They're doing very well.
You taught your nephew how to dance.
Yes.
But you're multi-talented.
Yes.
I heard that you're also a drummer.
Of
And
course.
only recently, I heard you sing.
Oh,
so you're a well-rounded entertainer.
My God.
You know, people
yes.
say that if you leave the government house, you have a career in music or entertainment.
Well,
Are you
never
going
say
to go for
never
that?
say never.
Would you do that?
It can happen.
Absolutely.
Never say never. Anything can happen. Music, you know, if you play music now, I don't know how it will. Something will just tell me.
Can somebody turn on the music right now, please? We need it.
So if you don't play music,
Yes.
I don't know how my body will just start moving without knowing it.
Yeah. You were telling me earlier that you participated in a lot of dancing competitions.
Let me tell you about that.
I'd
Let me
love
tell
to
you
hear
about that. You know, I got to America in 1981, and then of course, the name of my school that time in Alabama, United States of America, is called Jacksonville State University.
Wow, coincidence.
Yes. So it's a countryside, it's a university town.
Right.
That was the day that the school was having their anniversary. A lot of activities, a lot of festivities, so there's dancing competition there. So I picked the dancing part.
Right.
So after the stage 1, stage 2 and everything, so we got into the finals. So to cut the whole story short, I won. So when I won, I remember vividly the president of our school, Mr. Montgomery, and he was trying to pronounce my name. Adeleke. He said, "Oh, what the heck!" And it was during the time of Michael Jackson 5. They were raining, and he said, "You know what? Since you won this election, hey, in school here, since you are in Jacksonville, you are now Jackson. I call you Jackson."
Don't tell me that's how you got your name.
That's how I got my name. And Jackson stuck.
Wow.
I have it in my passport, my certificate, and everything.
I was just saying coincidence. I thought you were
No.
born Jackson.
My father gave me a name at my birth, Ademola Adeleke. My mom gave me Ifeanyi, but my mother is Igbo.
Yeah.
But you can only use 3
Yes.
in your passport. So in my passport now I have Ademola Jackson Adeleke.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
The dancing governor.
That's right.
This is exactly why you
That's
are the
right.
dancing governor.
So it's like that. It's been started a long time ago.
It's beautiful to hear.
Yeah.
Now tell us how you grew up. You know, I'd love the story that you've just narrated about, you know, your early life in America. I'd really like to know how you grew up, your childhood, your family life.
Yes. Well, we have a fantastic family, the Adeleke family. My father, very disciplined. My father was a trade unionist. My father was a nurse. And he met my mom in Enugu. And 6 of us, my mom, were all born in Enugu. It was during the war. My father even built a house in Enugu. and gave it to his close friend when the war, broke out. So we have to rush down to Lagos, to go and stay. But before we left, I don't know if I can't even speak Yoruba. All of us cannot speak Yoruba.
Do you speak Igbo?
I speak Igbo. I speak
Fantastic.
very well.
In Igbo?
Nasu or Fuma.
Kedu
Nasu pieces, all them.
Fantastic.
One them. So, so we can't even speak Yoruba. All of us, we only speak Igbo, broken, and English.
But you're not just from a multicultural family.
Yeah.
You're also from a multi-religious family.
Yes.
Your father is
Muslim.
and
My mother
your
Christian.
mother is Christian.
Yes.
How did you combine that?
Well, that is why we are civilized. My father studied in the UK, and when he came to marry my mom, my grandmother told him that, look, I hope you're not going to change my daughter to my father. My father said, no, we practice the same God. Muslims say Allah, and we say God, through Jesus Christ. So it's the same thing. It's when people, especially the politicians, when they want to use it, they started using religion. If they don't use religion, they use ethics. And so we grew up in our family, Muslim, Christian, and we lived together. My father would take me to mosque. I would go there, Allahu Akbar, and I would do it.
Fantastic.
God is great.
Yes.
Then I would go to church, Cherubim and Seraphim, the internal secret order of Cherubim and Seraphim. I would go there. And that is where my dancing skill and, of course, music, started.
In church?
In church.
Can I tell you?
Yeah.
The first video I saw you dancing was at
In church, yes.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.